Okay guys, so now that before I finish cleaning up the workbench, I'm going to take the anvil off the stand so that we can move the workbench. Show you guys, it's absolutely crazy how strong the anvil is, like the force on the anvil is. Look at this bolt, is completely bent up from all the beating on the anvil. That's pretty crazy. Okay guys, so we put all the tools and metal things in that crate that we built, but then all these other little more fragile things are gonna go in this box here, like the gloves and stuff like that, and the apron and stuff like that. So we're gonna do that now then. Okay, so now I'm gonna take all the stuff off the back of the workbench and put the bench grinder and the belt sander in their boxes, ready to ship over. Take all the belts off the back, and there's some buffing compound down there I need to pick up. These can get chucked in the box too. Sort that out later. And now it's just a matter of sorting all this crap out over here. And take out the sledges. And the oil. Now it's time to take off the bench vise. There we are. Now we're going to move the grinders. And now we're going to dismantle the shear. And yeah, there's also this, I forgot the doming block here. Get the ratchet. It's going to take me another ages. I figured if you use one of these extension bars, then you can spin the ratchet all the way around, so it's a bit quicker. There we are, now we can lift the shear off. Okay, so now I'm just disassembling the bench vise from the block underneath, because I'm not going to need it in Italy, because I'm going to permanently fix it to the new workbench we're going to make, and then my friend is coming to take the old workbench, because we can't take that. But there's the vise being freed, and so we can put that in a box. Okay, so you finished closing the box. I forgot to film when we were putting the hasp and thing on here, but we put this on. I'm also going to forge one of these when I go to Italy, but for now this will be fine. And then I put a lock on just to keep everything safe. And so now we're just going to load it into the car and take it to the storage unit. Okay, so my friend took the workbench away as well, and then we're just cleaning all the tools here to put them back in their boxes, ready to take to the storage unit. So we have the original belt sander box, but we don't have the polystyrene, so we're just putting all the bits in, just with newspaper to pad it, and then we're going to put the bench grinder in as well, in the same box as they fit together, so it'll be fine. I'll just wrap everything in paper, so they're all tight and won't move around, and it should be fine because the box is pretty thick. That's now all packed and ready to go. Right, there's somebody else in the actual unloading bay. We're just gonna go through the door. And we've got some nice pizzas after a hard day's work. I'm going to tuck in, guys, so thanks for watching. Bye-bye.